Hi girly cakes, and welcome back to my series Finding Your Girly Self. This is the most fun one for sure because this is all about fashion and style, which I love. So let's just jump right into it. This is how you can build a classy and girly closet. The first thing that you really need to do is figure out and identify what your body type is. This is so important because it's the foundation of dressing yourself nicely. I want to emphasize there's no body type better than the body type that you have. I need you to really learn to love your body because it is yours. It is healthy, it carries you around, it allows you to do things, allows you to feel things. Trust me when I say no body type, no shape, no nothing is better than the one you have. And you have to love it in order to dress it nicely. Figuring out your body type means identifying what exact shape it has. Are you curvy? Are you athletic? Are you more slim? Or you can even be a combination of both. You can be curvy slim, curvy athletic, slim athletic, athletic curvy. You need to really identify what is your body type. Now, the reason why this is important because this is actually gonna make it so much easier for you to find things that look good on you, make you feel good, make you feel confident, and then have that dream, fashionable, feminine closet that you've always wanted. Here's some tough truth. Just because it looks good on the model does not mean it's gonna look good on you. I know, ouch, ouch, ouch. Call HR, this is so mean, why would she say that to me? But I'm telling you the truth. When we're going back to it, our body matters. You have to aspire, be inspired towards body types that look like ours. It does not serve you any good to see someone who has a different body than yours and then covet how good they look in the outfits, because that is pretty much insanity. That is not making yourself feel good. You're gonna be doing the complete opposite. Not everything will look good on everybody. That's another thing to add to it. It's one of those hard truths that you have to accept as you're building a closet, because you're gonna waste so much time, so much pain, so much effort and energy focusing on why doesn't this thing look good on me? Why does this, what's wrong with my body? There's nothing wrong with your body. There's nothing wrong with you, but it's the fact that you keep thinking that it's gonna look like this when you don't look like that. And that's okay. Again, that is okay. Being able to identify your body type will help narrow it down. So once I've done that, I always jump on Pinterest or Instagram. Pinterest is my #1 spot. The girlies love Pinterest, let's be honest. Pinterest will help you really define and visualize what does this classy wardrobe look like? What does my classy closet look like? I love to type in the body type and then classy. So you can say classy outfits for curvy body. This is just to help you get ideas of what you need in your closet. You'll start to see a lot of coats that are the same silhouette, skirts, a lot of colors, a lot of frames and styles that really exemplify what it means to have a classy closet. So this is like ground zero. This is really helping you figure out, oh my gosh, yes, that would look so good on me. As far as body type, I have a pretty slim body type, but I do also have a large chest, which means that I do not pick anything for people with a smaller chest, knowing that it's not gonna look good on me. It's probably gonna look very busty, very squeezy. What I do know about my slim body type is that I love pants. I love long maxi skirts. I love anything that looks good on my long, slim body. That has really made it so much easier for me to go shopping and to identify items that I like. With this outfit, I have a gorgeous long maxi skirt that just fits my legs perfectly. You can see that it's not something that's very fitted and tight, it's very flowy, so it does go with my slim body type. I also love long structured pants. Pants that are clean and simple lines will always give you a very classy look. Hi, my name is Mimi Lolu. I am the quintessential girly girl and I help you become your very best girly self. The next thing you're gonna do in building a classy closet, you are going to subtly highlight your best features. You need to figure out, what do you love about yourself? What features on your body do you love about yourself that you want to highlight? Because when you figure out what you love, you're gonna go ahead and show it off. It's gonna make you feel good. It's gonna make you feel confident, and it's gonna make you excited to put on your clothes and wear the stuff that you have. So maybe, for example, you have a gorgeous frame. Maybe you have really nice lean arms, or maybe you have a big bum that's just like, oh, perky and cute. Maybe you have it all. What you wanna do is pick a few features of your body that you want to highlight. The key word is highlight. not emphasize. What happens when you emphasize your best feature? That's all where the attention goes. That's where everyone's looking. That's the first thing people see. And that's not necessarily a bad thing, but it does speak more volumes than your classy closet would. Example for me, again, I have a large chest, and this is something that every once in a while I like to highlight, but I don't emphasize. If I were to emphasize my large chest and everything that I wore, that would be the first thing you saw, and you would not even look at my face. You would not even know my name. You wouldn't even know who I was, because your eyes would be like, whoop. Ooh, that's literally what happened. Same thing with your other assets. We love a good, beautiful, gorgeous asset. We want to highlight it to add that touch of class rather than emphasizing it and throwing it into people's faces. And obviously, if you want that, if you want to emphasize your assets, girl, I'm not judging you. Go ahead, do what you want. So one of my favorite features is my body shape. I think I am very curvy slim, so I have a large chest but a narrow waist. And I like to emphasize that by wearing things that are just a little bit fitted. Not tight, because if it were tight, we would be emphasizing it. But if it's fitted, we're highlighting it. So I love to wear some fitted shirts that just kind of hug my curves ever so gently. And then when I'm able to pair it with other accessories and other items, it definitely makes me shine. Other features that I love are my lean arms and my lean legs. So I will always pick one or the other. I think it looks better when you either highlight your arms with a nice vest like this one and some straight leg jeans, or sometimes I will highlight my legs and go for a mini skirt. I love a good mini skirt, especially a nice simple A-line. You can't go wrong. But for me, it's always one or the other. It's never both, unless that's the vibe of the night and you're going out and you're having fun, then yeah, sure, legs and arms out, whatever. But for my main staples, I like to keep it classy. I like to keep it even. So it's either my arms showing or it's my legs showing. Rarely is it ever both. The next thing you want to do in building your classy closet is you have to identify your classic staple colors. Now, classic staple colors are exactly what they sound like. These are often very neutral colors that go with almost everything. So your browns, your grays, your whites, beige, black, navy blue. These classic staple colors look good on everyone. It's like this weird phenomenon where these colors just look good on everyone. They go with almost everything. And because these colors go with almost everything, they add some class to your closet. Ideally, pick 2 colors that are your ride or die classic staple color, because now this will enrich your closet and everything will look good with these classic staple colors. You would use these colors to pick your everyday solid items. I'm talking about your everyday purse, your stunning everyday coat, just accessories and things that you often wear. You want to pick it in a high quality color. Now, I know instantly people always want to pick black. Everyone always wants to go for black as their classic staple color. The thing about black is that because it looks good on everyone, it almost looks good on no one, meaning that it doesn't really do anything for anyone. Black is the absence of color, so it doesn't really bring any more depth or emotion or happiness or really even style to your closet. So if you're thinking of using black as your classic staple color, I would say maybe use it as a backup and not a primary. I would say pick 2 other ones. Gray is a nice close second. A gorgeous gray coat always looks good. A nice soft gray top, even some straight leg gray jeans. These would look so staple in a closet, and they bring a little bit more interest and style over simple black. My classic staple colors are brown and white. You will see this throughout my closet constantly. These are also the 2 colors that happen to look the best on me. So you want to pick colors that look really good on you. Your classic staple color might be white and navy blue, or it may be gray and brown. Pick 2 that you know you always love and will always look good, and just lean into it and stick to it. For example, with this outfit, I have my classic brown coat that I just love to style with very basic items like these blue jeans and this white sweater. And at the same time, I can throw it on in a whole different outfit and wear my cute blue mini skirt and a white sweater, and it still looks put together, it still looks classy, and it still shows my style. And the last thing you're gonna do in building a classy closet, you are going to identify your style persona signifier. I know that sounds fancy, that sounds like a big term. What does it mean? It means you're going to find things in your style that really showcase your personality, things that really showcase how you like to dress, how you like to put yourself together. These are items that are staple to your style. For example, most people have one color that just looks so good on them that every time you wear it, you're just kind of like, wow, you look stunning. They also feel stunning in that color. Maybe your classic staple color is brown, but your style persona signifier is red. You can incorporate items of red that will go with your classic staples that will just completely elevate your outfit. outfit. Have your brown jacket as your staple, but you have a cute pair of red pants that just kind of oomph it up. And now you have a classy outfit that also shows your personality with that pop of color. This can go into anything. It's not only clothes, but it can be your shoes, your accessories, even your makeup. Find ways to really interject your own personal style into your classy closet. A lot of times you see people talk about classy closets and they only talk about gray, white, beige, and that's it. And to be honest, if you had a closet with only those colors, it would be a very boring closet. You'd look cute, but you'd probably look a little boring. So make sure you're able to incorporate these style persona signifiers. As the quintessential girly girl, of course, my favorite color is pink. I love to incorporate pink into my closet. I also love anything that has a little bit of shimmer or glitter, anything that's iridescent. Those are my faves. And those are definitely my style persona signifiers that I try to interject in all my outfits. This outfit, I have these gorgeous pink pants with a cami top and then just a flowy, nice white sweater and some red heels. You can see this outfit just already gives class. It already gives cutesy, and you can definitely tell my personality just from this one. Another example is this pink jacket. This is like an everyday staple jacket, but I decided to pair it with some suede brown pants. Again, giving it that classy vibe, giving it that classy touch that just brings everything together so it looks good. Okay, so that's it for this video. Please let me know if you have any questions or suggestions or things that you do to build a classy closet. I love sharing tips and chit-chatting about all that stuff. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Subscribing helps me know that you guys like these videos and I should continue doing them. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, my girly cakes.